love's a game and I'm just playing. Mirror on the wall, you the one faking liar. I see through it all, you just good at persuasion. You pull the strings, I cut the tide, I'm loose. Say jump, I roll my eyes, forget that. You hate that I don't comply, but baby, I ain't one to pacify. Hell no. Say it's love, but it feel like a leash. Feel like a leash. Got me guessing every word you preach. Bullshit. You want me soft, want me sweet, but I ain't built for obedience. Please, you a control freak, baby, admit it. Love me more when I'm quiet and timid. Got your rules, your games, your limits, but I don't fit in that frame you painted. I got a mind, got a mouth, I'ma speak, I'ma talk my shit. And I ain't never been one to be weak. You want somebody you can beat, but that ain't me. Nah, that ain't me. What you thought? You keep score like we in competition. Every word's a trap, every hug got conditions. You dress it up like it's care and concern, but deep down you just scared to get burned. Got me tiptoeing, but I got calluses now. Walking on fire, I don't bend for you, lash out. Wanna break me down, shut me out, but I found peace in not sticking around.